Have you ever thought that the rich know something that the rest do not? Is there a mysterious secret of success that only the lucky ones have managed to discover? What if I told you that there is no secret at all? What if anyone can achieve success and wealth by adhering to just a few habits? Are you ready to uncover the behind-the-scenes insights of the rich and learn how to emulate their success? If so, let's dive in, as today we'll explore 6 crucial habits that the rich won't tell you. But before we proceed, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to discover even more secrets of the rich and pave your own way to prosperity. The first hour of your day determines your entire day. Do you know what Bill Gates, Richard Branson, Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, and many other billionaires have in common? They all start their day with a calm, focused morning routine. Consider this. Instead of reaching for your phone first thing in the morning, what if you started your day with a moment of calm? Before the world wakes up, before the hustle and bustle begins, you're already setting the tone for a productive day. This is what we call a rich habit. Successful individuals don't wake up and immediately start dealing with the demands of the day. Instead, they set aside time for themselves to meditate, to read, to think. They're not rushing through their morning, scrambling to get everything done. They're taking the time to start their day right. It is not about literally copying the routine of a certain person. It's about understanding the underlying principle. Starting your day with calm and focus can greatly enhance your productivity. It's about taking control of your day from the moment you wake up, instead of letting the day control you. And here's the kicker. Most billionaires didn't adopt the habit of productive morning routines after they became successful and wealthy. No, they developed this habit precisely to achieve this success they have now. They understood that how they start their day could dictate the course of their entire day. They understood that a calm, focused morning could set the tone for a productive day. So before you reach for your phone tomorrow morning, think about how you can start your day with calm and focus. Maybe it's meditation, maybe it's exercise, maybe it's reading a good book. Whatever it is, make it a habit. After all, the journey to success begins the moment you wake up. 2. Your network is your net worth. Ever heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? It's more than just a catchy phrase, it's a reality that can have a profound impact on your life. Consider this, if you're constantly surrounded by individuals who are always looking for excuses, blaming their circumstances rather than taking responsibility, you are likely to absorb similar habits and mindsets. On the contrary, if you're in the company of positive and successful people, their perspectives and habits will inevitably shape your own. There's a notion that if you mingle with 3 millionaires, you'll become the 4th. While it might sound a tad ambitious, it holds a kernel of truth. The energy, the mindset, the drive, and the discipline that successful people carry are contagious. By resonating with their frequency, you'll find yourself adopting their habits, their outlook, and their unwavering drive towards success. But what if your current social circle doesn't include successful people, let alone millionaires? Start by limiting your interactions with those who pull you down. It can be a tough call, especially when these individuals happen to be family or close friends. However, when you set your sights on success and channel your thoughts towards achieving it, you'll find yourself attracting like-minded individuals. Loneliness is sometimes a better alternative. Use this solitude to focus on your goals, to strategize, to learn, and to grow. Remember, every moment you spend in the company of negativity and excuses is a moment lost in the pursuit of success. Your network is a reflection of you. It's a mirror that shows not just who you are, but also who you can become. So, choose your company wisely. Seek out those who inspire you, challenge you, and push you towards achieving your fullest potential. Surround yourself with people who celebrate your victories and help you learn from your failures. In the grand scheme of things, it's not just about building a network, but about fostering relationships that inspire growth, success, and positivity. So, invest time and effort in nurturing these relationships, for they are the stepping stones on your path to success. Remember, your network truly is your net worth. 3. Rich people don't use their money to show off. Money, for the rich, is not a tool for showmanship. It's a common misconception that the wealthy use their money to live lavishly and buy extravagant items. But the truth is, the truly wealthy use their money as a tool to generate more wealth. They don't buy the flashiest cars or the biggest houses just to show off. Instead, they invest in businesses, stocks, real estate, and other avenues that can multiply their wealth. They understand that money is a resource that, when used wisely, can lead to more money. It's not about the material possessions they can flaunt, but the financial security and freedom they can achieve. They've mastered the art of making their money work for them, rather than them working for their money. So the next time you get a paycheck, think of it not as a means to buy, but as an opportunity to grow. 4. Focus on passive income. Warren Buffett once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." This nugget of wisdom from one of the world's most successful investors underscores the importance of passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity through a variety of ventures which require little daily effort or upkeep. The concept of earning while you sleep has been catchy enough to draw the attention of those aspiring to financial freedom. Let's consider a few examples. Renowned author J.K. Rowling doesn't need to pen another word, yet she continues to earn money every time someone buys a Harry Potter book or watches a movie. That's passive income. Similarly, a real estate investor doesn't need to be present at their property every day. The rent they receive from their tenants is passive income. It could be starting a blog, investing in stocks, or writing a book. The options are endless. Remember, the key to wealth is not just hard work, but smart work. 5. Avoid procrastination. Imagine losing a month's worth of hard work and discipline due to just a single minute of procrastination. Now that's a scary thought, isn't it? But this is exactly what happens when we succumb to the lure of procrastination. It's a silent destroyer of dreams, ambitions, and goals. Think about it. Successful people like Jeff Bezos, Oprah Winfrey, and Mark Zuckerberg didn't reach their heights by putting things off until tomorrow. They understood the value of each minute, and they made everyone count. They knew that time, once gone, could never be regained. So, how do they do it? They maintain a strong discipline that keeps procrastination at bay. They prioritize tasks, break them down into manageable parts, and tackle them head-on. They know that progress, no matter how small, is still progress, and they understand the meaning of the expression, "Time is the only thing you can't buy or give back." So remember, every minute counts, and a minute lost to procrastination might be a step away from success. But it's not all about work. Successful people also recognize the importance of balance. They set aside time for rest, for hobbies, and for their loved ones. Because they understand that success is not just about wealth and achievements, but also about leading a fulfilling and well-rounded life. So, manage your time wisely. After all, it's your most valuable asset. 6. Less talk, more action. Actions speak louder than words, and the rich know this all too well. While planning and strategizing are crucial, what sets the successful apart is their relentless pursuit of action. They understand that the best laid plans mean nothing without the will to execute them. Take, for instance, the story of Steve Jobs. He was known for his relentless focus on action. He didn't just dream of creating innovative products, he made them a reality. And therein lies the secret. It's not just about having a vision, but about making it happen. Similarly, Jeff Bezos didn't become the wealthiest man on earth by simply talking about his ideas. He took concrete steps to turn his vision into a reality. The rich are not just dreamers, they are doers. Remember, success is not just about planning, but about doing.